Okay, so this video is going to be on drawing hydrocarbons. Okay, this is a unit 2 of the National 5. This is the unit we're moving on to. Okay, so we need to know that hydrocarbons are compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen. Okay, it says it in the name, hydro and carbon. Okay, so examples of these that you will learn are alkanes, alkenes, and cycloalkanes. Okay, so in the National 5, every single year, a question about drawing a hydrocarbon comes up. Okay, whether it be an alkane, whether it be an alkene, or whether it be a cycloalkane. Okay, it's important that you know how to draw it correctly so you get all the marks, because it does come up so regularly. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have alkanes. So for example, we're going to draw an alkane with 3 carbon atoms, and it's going to be propane. Okay, so with 3 carbon atoms, you're going to have carbon to carbon to carbon. Okay, we know that carbon is in group 4, therefore it needs 4 bonds. Okay, and a hydrocarbon is made up of hydrogen and carbon, and we know that hydrogen's in group 1 and it needs 1 bond. Okay, so what you need to make sure is that every single carbon in your molecule has 4 bonds, and every single hydrogen has 1 bond. Okay, so what you're going to do is each of these end ones have 1 bond each, and this middle one already has 2. So you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, each of these little bonds is 1 bond, and you're going to bond this to a hydrogen each. Okay, so you can see that every single carbon now has 4 bonds, and every single hydrogen now has 1 bond. Okay, so your next one is your alkenes. Okay, so once we get on to alkenes, you'll know that alkenes have a carbon to carbon double bond, and that is called its functional group. So I'll do propene again, 3 carbons. So we're going to do carbon to carbon double bond and carbon. Okay, at the National 5, when we're talking about alkenes, we're talking about 1 carbon to carbon double bond, or at least 1. Okay, all you need to know is for 1. So again, each carbon needs 4 bonds, but as you can already see, these 2 carbons, well, this carbon already has 2, and this carbon has 3, because it's also bonding to this carbon. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to add on your hydrogens. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4. This one needs 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one needs 1, 2, 3, 4. Much like that. Okay, so it's important here that you are drawing them correctly. Okay, so for example, if you were to draw something like this. Okay, we can see that here the bond's not going to the carbon, and here it's not going directly to the carbon either, so you would not get no marks for this. So you need to make sure that your bond is going directly to the element or the symbol that you're wanting. Okay. Your last one then is your cycloalkanes. Okay, so your cycloalkanes, kind of says it in the name, circle is a ring shape. Okay, so again, we're going to do cyclopropane, and it's got 3 carbon atoms. So you're going to join up your carbons like 1, 2, 3. It's in a kind of a ring shape. Okay, again, each carbon needs 4 bonds. Therefore, you're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. H, 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 H. Okay.